Drawing instruments are used to prepare drawing easily and accurately. For quality of the drawing is depends on the quality of drawing instruments. So that's why today we will discuss about the drawing instruments and how to use it. Drawing sheet or drawing paper. So various size of drawing sheets are available. As per the BIS standard, the sheets are classified or designated in A0, A1, A2, A3, A4 size. So the surface area of A0 size paper is 1 square meter and the length and width of the paper is 1189 millimeter by 841 millimeter. So when we do the half of the A0 size, the paper become A1 and the surface area of A1 size paper is always 0.5 meter square. So when you doing half and half, you will get the different designation or specification standard of papers. Now drawing board. It is made of seasoned wood and it is made in the strip form. Okay. It is also designated as BIS D0, D1, D2, D3. So the particular D0 drawing board is used for the paper size A0 and the size of the drawing board is 1500 millimeter by 1000 millimeter by 25 mm. So most of the drawing board has thickness 25 mm and some drawing board like D2 and D3 has 15 mm thickness. Now T-square. So T-square is available in wood material and also it is available in plastic material. So T-square consists two components. One is stock and another is blade. So stock is moving on the working edge of the drawing board and the blade is perpendicular to stock. It is always on the surface of the paper. So when you slide the stock on the working edge, the blade is also moved parallel on the sheet. So with the use of T-square, you can draw the horizontal parallel lines. Here in this picture you can say that T-square is perpendicular to stalks and with the use of pencil and moving the stalk on the working edge, you can able to draw the parallel horizontal lines. Set square. Set square is made of celluloid, tin or plastic materials. Generally, celluloid transparent material is used for set square. Set square are available in two forms. One is 30 degree 60 degree combination and another is 40 by 45 degree. So by combination of these two, we can use to draw the angle between two lines in the multiple of 15 degree, like 15 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, up to 180 degree. With the use of set square, you can also draw the horizontal and perpendicular lines and parallel horizontal line and parallel vertical lines. Here in this picture you can see how to use set square for different angles in multiple of 15 degree. Now roll and draw scale. So roll and draw scale is one device which has two rollers and one the working edge. The working edge is available in 16 centimeter and 13 centimeter. So by moving up and down, you are able to draw the horizontal parallel lines and also vertical parallel lines. One small protractor is also in middle of the roll and draw scale. Here you can see how to use the roll and draw scale to draw the parallel of given line. Now, protractor, which made of tin as well as celluloid and plastic material. Protractor is available in semicircle as well as in circular shape. In semicircular protractor, you can see it is graduated in multiple of 1 degree from 0 degree to 1 degree. So with the use of protractor, you can draw the angle between two lines in multiple of 1 degree from 0 degree to 180. Mini drafter. So the all functions of T square, set square, roll and draw scale, protractors are combined in this one drafting machine. So this drafting machine is known as mini drafters. Here you can say how to use it. The one corner of the drawing board at which the mini drafter is clamping with the use of screw, and two links and another two links which are junctioned at a pin joint, and the end of mini drafter where there is a perpendicular L-shaped scale in which centimeters are graduated, and with the use of knob you can draw horizontal, vertical and inclined line in any area of the drawing paper on drawing board. So it is very essential and very important drawing instruments for drawing purpose. Now pencils. So actually any drawing is a combination of different horizontal line, vertical and inclined lines in which the lines are thick, thin, some lines are very dark, some lines are very thin, or for different variations of the drawing we need different pencil grades. So pencil is made of graphite material, and according to the hardness of the graphite material, the pencil lead are classified in different grades. So H grades indicate the hardness of the graphite material. So when you increase the hardness of the graphite, you will get the H grade pencil. For B grade pencil, when the hardness will decrease or the softness of the lead will increase. So for that material, the grade is B. Okay. Now compass is used to draw circles and circular arcs. So in compass there is one needle edge and there is one pencil edge, lead edge. So the distance between these two is known as radius of the circle or radius of the arc. Now stencil or drawing templates. Okay. These are the time saving devices for drawing different symbols like circle, square, alphabets, triangle, any polygons. The ready-made templates are available in market. So by using these templates, you can directly draw this type of symbols. Now French curve. With the use of compass, you can draw the circular arc, but that circular arc has constant radius. But sometimes we have to draw the curve which has not constant radius. We have to join or loci different points. We have to connect at all points with the use of French curve. Okay. So ellipse, parabola, hyperbola, this type of curve are drawn with the use of French curve. Okay, thank you very much.